Friends, I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of home remedy Drosera. Full name Drosera rotundifolia. Common name Sundew, short name Drosera. Source plant, vegetable world. Pathogenesis. Drosera produces spasmodic cough simulating whooping cough. Dr. Tyler said Drosera can break down resistance to tuberculosis and should therefore be capable of raising it. Relation with heat and cold, very chilly patient, constitution nothing particular, Diathesis tubercular, Miasm, Psora. On the right hand side, a picture of Drosera plant has been shown. Mental generals of Drosera. Easily angered. A trifle makes them beside themselves. Inclination to drown themselves. Cannot concentrate to one subject. Must change to something else. Fear of being alone. Anxiety when alone. And suspicious of friends. Restlessness and delusions of persecution. Extremely uneasy. Imagine deceived by spiteful, envious persons. Physical generals of Drosera. Nocturnal crawling sensation in the larynx as from a feather. Nocturnal cough of young person in Diathesis. Mind this. Nocturnal cough of young person in Diathesis. Diathesis means actually tuberculosis. Old name Diathesis, new name tuberculosis. Violent spasmodic and frequent spell of barking cough, aggravated at night after midnight, warmth, drinking, singing, laughing, weeping, lying down. Cramping constriction runs all through the remedy. Difficult swallowing of solids, gnawing pain in the joints, convulsions, followed by hemoptysis and sleep. Hemorrhage of bright red blood from mouth, nose and with stool. Actually this symptom is a tubercular symptom. Hemorrhage of bright red blood from various orifices of the body. It is a symptom of infection of tuberculosis. General modalities: worse after midnight, on lying down, warmth, talking, cold food, laughing, after measles, singing, stooping, vomiting, sour things. Better in open air and from pressure. Head symptoms of Drosera. Heavy pressing pain. Vertigo when walking in open air. Eye symptoms of Drosera. Become prominent, that is, eyes become prominent from coughing during measles in convulsions. Nose symptoms of Drosera. Sensitive to sour smells, painful sneezing, bleeding from coughing or from stooping, that is, bleeding from stooping. Face symptoms of Drosera. Left side cold, right side hot of the face, with stinging pain, face hot with cold hands. Mouth symptoms of Drosera. Putrid taste, bloody saliva, toothache from hot drinks, small round painless swelling in the middle of tongue. Stomach symptoms of Drosera. Nausea after fatty foods, aversion to pork and fatty foods which disagree, difficulty in swallowing solid foods. Abdominal symptoms of Drosera. Painful after sour foods. Female symptoms of Drosera. Leukorrhea with labor-like pains. Respiratory symptoms of Drosera. Periodical fits of rapid, deep barking and choking, prolonged incessant cough. Cough seems to come from abdomen. Takes breath away. Compel holding the sides, followed by retching, vomiting. First ingesta, then of mucus. That is vomiting, first of ingesta, then of mucus. Nose bleeds, cold sweat, loquacity, whooping cough, This is the picture of whooping cough. Note the picture of this boy. This is whooping cough. Tickling like a feather in the larynx. Deep hoarse cough requires exertion to speak. Deep hoarse cough requires exertion to speak. Respiratory symptoms continuation. Voice hollow, toneless. Bloody yellow purulent expectoration. Constriction of chest. Worse from talking, singing. Asthma from talking with contraction of throat with every word uttered. Stitches below axilla. Hemoptysis. Hemoptysis means actually blood vomiting or blood spitting. That is coming out of blood from mouth after convulsion. Scraping in larynx and cough after eating. Stitching pains in chest when sneezing or coughing. Harassing cough as soon as bed touches the pillow at night, but not during day. Coughing worse from singing, talking. Extremities symptoms of Drosera. Fingers contract spasmodically with rigidity when grasping anything. Writer's cramp. Writer's cramp. Look, this is the figure of writer's cramp. That is a cramp in the wrist due to excess pressure on finger. This is writer's cramp. Lemming pain in the right hip joint and thigh with pain in ankle. Must limp when walking. Limbs feel sore. Bed feels too hard. Pain in the long bone. Pain in humerus at night only. Skin symptoms of Drosera. Itching better by rubbing or wiping with hand. Worse from undressing. Fever symptoms of Drosera. Always too cold even in bed. Fever with whooping cough. Shivers when at rest. Better from moving about. Face becomes hot and hands become cold with shivering. Measles. Complementary medicine sulfur. Related medicine coral rubrum এবং coccus cacti. With this, the video ends. Thanks for listening and viewing. If you got any problem, please write it in the comment section. I would certainly attend.